G'day guys and girls, my name's Jamie. Welcome to another Landscape Contractor Magazine test drive. We're here with Andrew Tulloch. Put it there, mate.
Hey Jamie.
Mate, you know what? We had a look at one of these Mean Green machines not too long ago and it was an absolute standout, but we've gone to the top shelf.
That's it.
Tell everyone all about this awesome machine.
Yeah, well this is the flagship model.
Beautiful.
The Mean Green Evo.
Yep.
Brought to us here in Australia by EcoTeq.
Perfect. Now, we're talking about a seriously wide deck here too, right?
74-inch cut.
Wow.
5 blades.
Wow.
You know, like the other one, aircraft grade aluminium build.
Yeah.
Loaded with extras.
Yeah, we've got the solar panel on the roof there. So
Yeah.
what, that does a bit of a trickle charge and gives you some extra operating time?
Yeah, about an extra half hour or a bit more per day just to have that, but you know, nice light sunshade as well.
100%, keeps the sun off your face. And
it's fitted with the conditional rego light kit.
Yep.
Which is all touch button thing.
So we're talking about blinkers, we're talking about lighting,
Yep.
we're talking, mate, working on those sort of dusk or early morning starts if you're a contractor.
Yeah.
Mate, this machine's got you covered.
Sure has.
Beautiful, mate, beautiful. So look, what are we talking about in terms of like runtime and charge time and things like that?
Well, huge, like, you know, compared to anything else. Up to 8 hours run time.
Wow.
You know?
Wow.
So a whole day's mowing, 30 acres a day with this
Wow.
size deck. So,
Awesome, mate.
you know, that's just huge for a battery-powered machine.
100%, 100%.
Overnight charge.
Yep.
So, you know, doesn't matter because you're running it all day and you charge it at night. So.
Beautiful. And now you were also talking about with this cut quality too, some of the blades actually spin in different directions.
Yeah, well, the deck's a rear discharge. You can have a mulching kit put in it as well.
Yep.
But some of the blades counter rotate, so 3 rotate one way and 2 rotate the other way.
Awesome.
Just designed to throw that grass into the centre, not get any blowout from the sides of that big deck.
Perfect. Well, look, let's do this, mate. Let's fire it up. Let's get you in there. We've got a couple of cool areas to run through. We'll come back. We'll talk about the ease of adjusting the deck height and how she went and the overall cut performance.
Yeah, awesome.
Let's go. So Andrew, the Mean Green mower, mate, it's just taken on some rain, some mud, some slop, and mate, geez, it looked like number one, it cut well, but 2, gripped really well.
It did, even on this steep slope. I mean, they are rated to 20 degrees,
Yep.
but it's wet, it's steep, and it's still stuck there pretty well.
Beautiful. Well, look, it's probably a good time to talk about they're not wheels, they're twheels.
Twheels, yeah, well, front and rear twheels.
You can see as you're going along just the flex that you get out of those. So that's sort of a suspension sort of technique in itself. But I guess that's why they're fitting and hugging to the slope so well too, right?
Yeah, it is a bit more forgiving than the tyres, you know. It's
Yeah.
good on if you're sort of curb hopping and stuff as well. You can creep it down, but yeah, it just sticks to the slope. No flat tyres, no downtime. So
Beautiful.
Awesome.
Beautiful. So look, how did you find it for, I guess, well, ground speed? You took off at one stage there. I was like, wow, this thing can really move.
Yeah, I mean, they're great. So it's there's 2 ground speeds, so you can flick between the 2 with the touch of a button, but it's 21 k's.
Perfect.
You know, ground speed in forward, so
Awesome.
they really get along.
Excellent.
And instant power too.
Yeah. It's still weird, like people walk past us going, it's so quiet, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Awesome, mate. So look, let's talk about the cutting performance. What are your thoughts? How did it feel? I guess things like adjusting the deck height, turning and manoeuvring whilst you're cutting. How did it all feel?
Well, with the control panel there, you can just touch to select your height and it goes up or down in quarter-inch increments.
Yep.
Same with your little foot pedals there, you can just touch those. So you can preset your height, touch your foot pedal, dump it straight down, but then you can just tap up a 1/4 inch if you want.
Yeah, nice.
So terrific deck lift system.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, nice cut. It was wet. It wasn't too long, but there was a bit of fluffy clover around, so it still produced a nice cut. Now, they come only with a rear discharge, this model.
Yep.
You can put a mulching kit in them. There isn't in this one, so there's some residue flying out the back, as you would with a side shooter.
Yeah.
But yeah, nice cut on here at speed as well.
Perfect. And something that's probably worth mentioning as well is a lot of these components on this top end model are also cross-compatible with the other models too, right?
That's right. All the parts, like your blade motors on the deck, all the components are comparable across the entire range. So if you did have multiple machines, it's not hunting for part numbers. You can keep some certain spare parts, you know, not that they break down.
Yep. Yeah, perfect, mate. Well, look, I think all in all, the Mean Green machine's been an absolute beast.
Yeah. Well, this one's got the upgraded battery too, so it's a
Okay.
35 kilowatt battery in this. There's
Yep.
a 22 as well, I think.
Okay, perfect. And that's just going to give you that little bit longer run time and a little bit better performance.
Yeah, I mean, going up that hill, it's so smooth and fast. It's just, it's awesome. So,
And fully made in the USA.
yeah, that's
Awesome.
it.
Good on you, mate.
Cheers.
Thanks, Andrew. Thanks for putting the beast through its paces. And for everybody out there, make sure you check this range out. It's an absolute standout. Till next time, I'm Jamie. This is Andrew. Take fantastic care of each other. Stay really safe on site out there. We'll catch you soon.